Mike, what you talking about? First day on this mammoth task of an allotment plot. Plot 28, 250 square metres. I'll turn you around, take you around the borders, show you. A lot of work, but hopefully I should have it done for next, ready to grow next season. So, right, I'll spin you around. I'll take you on a walk. Right, so it's a corner plot. It's 2 bays. I'll dig one out, put it into the other one, and I can fresh use this one till I get my own sorted out. Down there is not many, a couple of favours, bucket, a couple of bits of small pallets, loads of bramble. There's a bed, I don't know if I can see it, I'll see if I can clear it. Right, so somewhere down here anyway, there's a bed put in. There's artichokes out there. Loads and loads of bramble. There's another bed here, by the looks of it. Another bed here, by the looks of it. Onto, you get a concrete shed base. And then down here is, see, that's the boundary there. So I'm going to clear this boundary off, maybe clear in front of the shed, and then we'll see. Right, so I'm going to get going, do a bit of clearing. I'm only here for an hour or so today because I ain't even received my keys yet. I've just been speaking to one of the other members and they're letting me on and off. So right, let's see if I can have a little clear up and we'll go from there. Right, well that's me for the day. I have tidied the fronts of these up so they're not just such a nice off for everybody else. I've just found some bits of old timber. These will come down, I'll build some new ones. Just found some bits of old timber to screw up to the fronts just to keep this back so it's not intruding in the road. As you can see, I'm touching on the main plot. But down here, let me come down. Where are we? I have cleared the boundary line right back. Sorry, I don't know why my hands are shaking. I think I'm having a bit of a sugar low. But anyway, so this is the state of it. Plot 28. Change you out and about. Sorted the what are they called? I don't know. The compost spins out. I give myself a boundary line. Day 1. Right. Not a lot happened on this bed. There we go. I'll bring you back next time.